What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Simi, for those who don't know, and today we're going to be doing a Kim K Met Gala 2019 inspired makeup tutorial. Excuse my hair, please. I just dyed it last week, so like the color is actually fine. It's just like I need to like wash it, and it's a little greasy, so we'll worry about that later. So yeah, I don't really have like a specific dress that she wore, so I just kind of threw on this like a nude tank top that I have, and yeah, let's get started. I already prepped my eyes, did my brows off the camera, and we're gonna start with the eyes first. I'm gonna be using the 35G Bronze Gold palette from MORPHE. I don't have the palette that Mario used for Kim when he did this makeup look, but I feel like this palette has very similar shades that they used. So let me quickly just look at the picture again. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna start off with this shade right over here. And I'm gonna take this Farrah where's the name of it? Oh, Farrah 3 Mini Tapered Blending Brush. And I'm gonna dab in that little shade. I'm gonna get rid of the fallout. Dab again, get rid of the fallout. And I'm going to take my little small butter bronzer mirror. It's one of my favorites to use for, you know, doing my eyeshadow. And I'm going to start off with this eye over here. And we're going to take that all the way from the crease into the, like where the corner of my eye is right here. And we're going to just start slowly blending that all the way through to just give us like a really nice transition shade. Warm up the crease, and then we can almost take it right here when like our contour for our nose would go. I'm gonna dab into that shade again. Ooh, that looks pretty already. Alright, let me zoom in a little bit closer. Almost seems like she has a darker shade. Then I'm going to take this shade right over here using the same brush, where you're going to go in, get rid of the fallout, go in again, get rid of the fallout, and then I'm going to slowly try to put that in the outer corner of my eye, just kind of dab it in and try to connect it with the transition shade we put in. Blend those two shades, and use a little bit more of that color. This is not even done and it already looks good. Damn. I love this palette. It's literally one of my favorites. The shimmers in it kind of suck though. But it is what it is, guys. For 25 bucks, that many shades, you can't complain too much. Alright, we're going to try to blend this in a little bit. I'm going to take that a little bit up here. Blend those shades in a little bit more. And I'm going to kind of like try to buff it upwards, so there's no too much of like a harsh line. Like that. Alright, and I'm going to take that same darker shade and put that in my inner corner of my eye. Let me do this way so you guys can see. I'm gonna pack that in the inner corner and buff it up. And then I'm gonna grab this GLAM Doll Lisa Frank brush, and I'm gonna use this shade right over here. We're gonna take the tiniest amount, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner of my eye. And just kind of place that right over here and just tap it in to kind of darken everything. The outer corner of my eye. Try to blend this. Outer corner of my eye. Tap that in into the crease. Ooh, that looks beautiful. And I'm gonna take this Farrah, what is this? 65E large shading brush. And I'm just going to kind of blend everything out. There's no pigment whatsoever on this brush. We're just going to use it to blend everything and make it look smooth. Alright, I'm going to take the fair brush we used earlier with the pigment, like the leftover pigment that's on it. And just kind of drag this over here into the inner corner of the eye. Just smoke it up a little bit. Alright, I think that's fine. And once again, blend everything. It looks cute. I like that a lot, actually. And then I'm going to use the IBY Beauty brush. It's like a flat brush like this. I'm going to wet it with the MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to spray a lot. Everything's wet. And I'm going to go in with this shade right over here. Because I know Kim in this picture, she kind of has this, like a shimmer on it. Alright, we're going to take the brush and we're going to place that in the middle, just like this. I'm going to just stab that out and take it all the way up, like so. We're not just keeping it like where the inner corner is. I'm trying to take it up a little bit more so it looks more like our eyes, a little bit more open. Put the shimmer all the way almost by the brow bone. Like this. I'm going to try to blend that all the way up here. Just lightly. And I'm going to go back in with the fair blending brush. So just kind of blend everything together. Ooh. That looks beautiful. I'm going to take a little bit more of that color. That looks beautiful. You guys can see. Do a little close up for you guys. Ooh, that looks cute. And then I really want to try, I don't know if this is going to actually look good. Because let me look in the picture real quick. It feels like her eye is a little bit more shimmery. And I don't know if I have the same exact shade, but I have the STILLA liquid glitters. So I'm going to see which one would maybe look better. This one, I feel like this one might be too dark. What's this? Kitten Karma. Alright, let me try that. The Kitten Karma liquid glitter eyeshadow. What's the name of them? And I'm going to try that. Oh yeah. And I'm going to place that all over this. I'm going to do lightly. Oh, that looks beautiful, guys. I'm going to take the, what brush did I use? I almost forget. Where is it? Oh, there it is. The IBA blending, well, not blending, the tapered brush. And I'm going to try to blend all of this together a little bit more. That shimmer. Yeah. Alright, so I guess that's all for the shadow for now, for this eye. And I'm going to quickly finish the other eye of the camera, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'm back with both of the eyes finished. Oh my god, this glitter. It looks beautiful. Wow. I'm like already obsessed with the look and it's not even done. Alright, so for the, I know in the pictures, it almost looked like she had a eyeliner on, but I'm going to use the PIXI by Petra Silk Eye Black Pencil and kind of just smoke out the waterline. Well, the line. Waterline. I don't know. Jeez. Alright, anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to just kind of draw the eyeliner across the eye. Just like this. We're not doing a wing or anything. She didn't really wear a wing. It's almost like a typical like smoky eye that Kim K usually wears. So I'm going to take that. Just kind of drag it all over the eye. Just like this. And I'm going to take the Morphe angled brush. And I'm going to smoke that out real quick. Just like this. Just kind of get a little smoky effect. just like this. So we have this smoky eye effect. Ooh, looks cute. Alright guys, I'm back with the lashes. Ooh, this eye look, it looks beautiful. I swear it looks identical to like the one that Kim K wore. Like, I'm so proud of this. It looks good. Wow. I'm actually impressed by myself. That's great. So, alright, enough blabbering. Let's get into the face. I'm gonna use this dewy setting mist from e.l.f. to prep my face with. But before that, I want to use these two things. It's the GLAM Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I love this stuff. It makes your skin so glowy. So I'm gonna put the tiniest amount on my face and just rub that on. Oh, it smells so good. Put a little bit on my forehead. Massage down into my skin like this. And then on top of that, I'm gonna put this MAC strobe light in, strobe light in pink light. And I'm going to mostly put that like on my cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit right here. On my nose, mostly for like the high point of our face that we want to like be extra glowy. It'll add a nice glow to the foundation underneath. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with this spray, shake it a little bit, cover my eyes. I wanna get that into my eyes. Alright, we're gonna let that sink a little bit. Let that dry. I know, I wish I had one of those like little fans that like all the beauty gurus have. That would be fucking great. And then I'm gonna spray my beauty blender with this stuff as well. It smells so good because it's coconut scented. Oh, I love the smell of this stuff. Spray a little bit more. And then I want to go in with the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Alright. And I'm gonna start blending everything in. And it's pretty good like coverage as well. I wouldn't say it's necessarily completely full coverage, but it's like a medium to buildable coverage. But I mean, that's what we want, right? Alright. So the foundation is all blended. And I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And we're going to conceal our under eyes and highlight all the points of our face that we want to look really super bright. I'm going to bring this all the way down my nose and over here. And bring it all the way up into my temples to kind of just give me that look. I'm going to highlight the shit out of our face. Kind of down here. About my chin and right over here. This looks doofy as hell. But we kind of want that effect that kind of do that. I'm going to blend this down here. And then start blending under our eyes. This is all nice and blended. Blend this down here. Alright, for the powder, I'm going to use the AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder. My all-time favorite. This is great for events. It does not budge my makeup. I'm going to put some in the pan. Cut out the line for our nose contour. So we're going to start with this shade right here for the lower lash line. And I'm going to use this brush right over here. I believe it's the 3 Mini Taper Blending Brush. We're going to tap in that color, get rid of the fallout, and just put that in a lower lash line, kind of smoke it out. And then same thing on the other eye, get rid of the fallout and connect it to the eyeshadow that's right here. And just bring it all the way to the inner corner and smoke it out. Oh, this looks so much better already. looks good. And we're gonna take this darker shade over here, same brush, get rid of the fallout, you know, add that on top of the other shade. Same thing with this eye. And then we're gonna tap in with this shadow right over here. And smoke that, mostly in the center of the eye. Alright, this is all for the eyes. Let me close up my mascara. And then I'm gonna finish up the rest of the face real quick. Get over this baking powder that's underneath. Just like this. And then I think for the face, it's gonna be the last step is the highlight. Oh, that I'm excited. I'm gonna use the Anastasia AMREZY highlight right over here. I feel like this is such a pretty color that's gonna go with this look, just like this. And I'm gonna take the, you know, the dewy setting spray with this Morphe M510 brush. I'm gonna spray it real quick, a little spritz. I'm gonna tap into this brush, into this, ooh, one of my favorite highlights. And I'm gonna put that on my Cupid's bow, my nose. Alright, this is beautiful. Put a little bit on my forehead. That is beautiful, guys. Alright, and then to make it a little bit more extra, I want to use this Loose, Wet, and Wild highlight, because this highlight makes everything pop even more. So I'm going to go in. But this time I'm going to use this Morphe brush. There's no number on it, but it's like a fan brush. And I'm going to spray it again a little bit. Ooh, bitch. Alright, for the lipstick, I want to use this MAC lipstick I have right over here. It's Velvet Teddy. And I'm going to put that on. It might be a little too pink. Alright, that's for the lipstick. And I'm going to go in with this lip gloss. This Morphe Flower Crown lip gloss. I'm going to apply that on top. Alright, that's for the lipstick. Let me take my hair out real quick. Alright, guys. So this is the finished look. Alright, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Kim K Met Gala 2019 inspired makeup look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, which is simi_violet. So yeah, I guess that's all for today, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.